Outlaw. A person who has broken the law and is hiding or running from the police.
The famous outlaw was finally caught by the police. The outlaw was hiding in an old house.
Outlaw. To officially ban or prohibit something.
Plastic bags have been outlawed in my city. Smoking in public places is now outlawed.
Relegate. To move someone or something to a lower position, rank, or level, or give them less importance.
He got relegated from manager to assistant. After the loss, the team was relegated to last place. She was relegated to a less important role.
Conceal. To hide something so others cannot see or know it.
She concealed the gift behind her back. He concealed the money under the carpet.
Prolong. To make something last longer or extend the time of something.
Let's prolong the meeting to discuss the details. The teacher will prolong the class for 10 minutes.
Jeopardize. To put something or someone at risk or in danger.
Don't jeopardize your job by being late every day. He jeopardized his life by driving too fast.
Confiscate. To take something away, usually by someone in authority, parents, teachers, police, because you did something wrong or broke a rule.
The teacher confiscated his phone in class. They confiscated the illegal drugs at the airport.
Squander. To waste something, like time, money, or opportunities, in a careless way.
Don't squander your money on useless things. I don't want to squander this opportunity. Many students squander their time on social media.
Rebuke. To scold someone or speak angrily to someone because they did something wrong.
Dad rebuked me for not doing my homework. The boss rebuked him for his mistakes.
Sack. To fire or remove someone from their job.
The boss sacked him yesterday. The company sacked many staff during COVID.
Haul. To pull, carry, drag, or transport something with effort.
She is hauling her suitcase to the bus stand. They hauled the broken furniture out of the room.
Dwell. To live somewhere, or to keep thinking about something for a long time.
I dwell in a small house with my family. Some people dwell in slums without basic facilities. I don't like to dwell on past mistakes.
Ransom. Money or payment demanded or paid for the release of a person or property.
The kidnappers demanded a huge ransom. He was kidnapped for ransom last night.
Strew. To scatter things around over a surface in a messy or random way.
Toys were strewn all over the floor. Books were strewn everywhere in the room.